Welcome to our video on the 10 rules to achieve financial freedom before 30 years of age. In today's fast-paced world, it's essential to take control of your finances early on. By following these rules, you can pave the way towards financial independence. Let's dive in. 1. Define your financial goals. To achieve financial freedom, start by defining your goals. What does financial freedom mean to you? Is it being debt-free, owning a home, or having a comfortable retirement? Define your objectives clearly and set realistic targets. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is crucial. Track your income and expenses, and allocate your money wisely. Prioritize savings and investments over unnecessary expenses. Remember, a budget will keep you on track and help you reach your goals faster. 3. Educate yourself about personal finance. Financial literacy is key to success. Educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from experts. The more you know, the better financial decisions you can make. 4. Save and invest early. Start saving and investing as early as possible. Take advantage of compounding interest and watch your money grow over time. Whether it's a retirement account or other investment opportunities, early action pays off in the long run. 5. Minimize debt and live within your means. Avoid unnecessary debt and live within your means. While it's tempting to indulge in material possessions, resist the urge to accumulate excessive debt. Make smart choices and spend your money wisely. 6. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund is crucial. Set aside a portion of your income regularly into a separate account. This fund will act as a safety net during unexpected situations, preventing financial stress. 7. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Explore options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. A diversified portfolio can help protect and grow your wealth. 8. Network and build connections. Networking is not only crucial for career growth, but also for financial opportunities. Build connections within your industry and learn from successful individuals. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and can offer valuable advice. 9. Continuously increase your income. Strive to increase your income continuously. Look for ways to enhance your skills, pursue promotions, or even consider starting a side business. A higher income will provide more financial flexibility and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. 10. Stay disciplined and persistent. Finally, stay disciplined and persistent throughout your financial journey. Achieving financial freedom takes time and effort. Stay committed to your goals, make smart choices, and persevere even during challenging times. Remember, achieving financial freedom before the age of 30 is possible by following these 10 rules. Take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and watch your financial future unfold. Wishing you all the success on your journey towards financial freedom.